Oh yeah, it's time, my boy. It's time. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Shoot multiple videos today, man. Y'all probably can tell. But today, y'all see what the title is. It's about Big Meech. It ain't no accident there, but I'm keeping y'all in the loop a little bit. We got to keep the shock factor, the surprise factor. Keep y'all in the loop with what we about to have going on with this one. Yes, indeed. This turn. We just jumping all around, y'all. We got oil pressure right here. We got oil pressure right here. And then Dolo coming back. We're gonna have oil pressure right there. I gotta tell y'all about Dolo too. But yeah, man. Meech, hey, you know I wasn't finna forget about you, man. You my favorite son, man. I wasn't about to forget about you, Meech. You the favorite son out the bunch, man. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So y'all saw by the intro. It's time. Y'all saw last time I said it's time. You know what time it was. It's time, man. It's time for this one. This one right here. Mr. Meech. All I can say, it's a power move. That's all I can say. Let me see, where my keys at? See, you know I love my boxes. I keep my box Chevy keys on here. I keep Big Meech keys on here. On with my regular key. Now this my boy. Y'all just don't know. This my boy right here. He the oldest out the bunch. My son, man. People that ain't seen it, y'all probably see it covered up. Cause I know I got new people. Probably ain't went and did the backstory. This my throwback, man. Clean in the inside now. It's clean. It been kept up pretty good. I gotta wash it. You know, had my TV. I'm gonna put my TV back up in there. We come back with all that. Come back with all that, man. Meech gotta have a flow shifter now. Put the flow shifter back. I'm gonna put Meech in the game, but not all the way. But right now, we finna get him running. We finna get him running, man. Meech about to get running. That's all I can say. Let me pop the hood. Let's see what we looking like. See what we looking like. It's your turn, Meech. We about to put an engine in here, y'all. We about to put an engine. It ain't gonna be no crate engine. I tell you that much. Y'all keep asking about the hood. I done told a story of the hood a million times. I don't like the hood. It's coming off, but it's not coming off right now. I'm not having my car 3 different colors, even though it's a lighter shade. And if you saw my car back in the day, I had a primer hood on here. This is not that same hood. My hood was made the right way. It weighed a ton. But this is not the same hood. Y'all see how they just put this scoop in the middle? The junk is terrible. But it is what it is, man. We're going to ride like it is. It's all the same color for right now, so that's what it's going to stay. But, y'all see, Meech, no cross member, no nothing. No nothing. It's time, though. My battery, I know the battery probably dead, discharged. All this still got to get changed. Just know that. I'm saying this. I want y'all to guess in the comments what's going in here. Just guess, is it small block or big block? Or LS. Throw it in there. Just guess. Cause I guarantee a lot of people gonna have it wrong. And so I'm gonna have it right. But all these gonna have to be changed. I'll give you a hint. All these gonna have to be changed. The fuel, I'm talking about the fuel system. Cause this not gonna be no little boy either. I'm glad I got this stuff, my line lock stuff too, cause that can be used now. But we got plenty of space. I'm finna do my guy like he's supposed to be done. It ain't the killer. I ain't gonna say that. It ain't what I said, but it's gonna be a surprise. I said it's gonna be a shocker. It's gonna be a shocker. This right here gonna throw a monkey wrench in the game. Now, and I'm gonna say this. I don't even know where it's gonna sit when it comes to the fleet. As far as who fast and who slowest. So I throw that out there though. I don't even know what position Meech gonna be sitting in when it comes to the fleet. I just know I gotta change some stuff. The fuel system gotta be changed. I can't do it. Their regular fuel system ain't gonna work. The fuel pump gonna have to be changed, which I'm glad I kept. I got an extra fuel pump. I got a brand new one. That gotta be changed. It's a lot of stuff, man. What else gotta be changed? Y'all know we did new brakes, studs, and all that stuff. The fuel system definitely gotta be changed. That's for sure. That's for sure. Said the brake, the pump, all that stuff, everything. I got to have a flow shifter now, and it's no longer the 700. No 700 going in here. Cause if it do, I'm gonna tear it out of pieces. T8 400. So I'm about to order a G-Force cross member like I got in Dolo, the same one. I'm about to go ahead and order that T8 400 cause I'm gonna need it. I'm going to a 400 transmission. I got to have it. I'm going to a 400 transmission. I'm finna put some pressure. Not no real, not no little bitty 400, a real deal 400. Man, it's going down. The exhaust, I'm taking the exhaust off. The exhaust gotta be changed, all that. So the exhaust too small. So all this for sale. All this gonna be for sale. Whole box Chevy exhaust system, headers and all. Y'all know them headers new. Them headers were new, man. They ain't a year old. It's just where they been sitting in the weather. They good though. The paint didn't burn off on them. But the headers are not even 1 year old. So I'm gonna be putting prices on all this stuff. I know y'all gonna ask. But this a whole box Chevy exhaust system for a small block. Hangers and all. You can put it straight on your box Chevy. It'll be ready to go. Cause I can't use it. I can't use it. Man, hey, I can't wait. I can't wait. What else? I'm trying to see. I did the reading the video, show y'all what y'all know. Y'all get first deals on everything before I even put it on Facebook. Right now, all I can see is the exhaust. All this stuff gotta be changed. Like I said, I can't even the 700. Ain't no 700. I got that. I'm finna hit DJ up. Showtime. I need this going now. I need a 400. I need a 400 with the works in it. With the works in it. We already got the rear end back there. That's good to go. 8.5, 410 mini spool. That's set up to go. We solid on the rear axle. The axles, they 30, 31 spline axles. Big boys. We good to go right there. Oh, hey. I got to change some stuff. Meech is Meech's turn, man. This is an update. I'm just letting y'all know, man. I don't want to tell y'all just yet. I want y'all to guess. Small block, big block LS, but we got to change some stuff. Some stuff got to be changed. I just took the cover off, man, cause I had to get me a picture with Rhythm and Blues and Meech. They ain't took them a family portrait together. Meech and Dolo took a lot. John, I'm gonna get a family portrait with all of them in there when we get Dolo back. Oh, and that's another thing. The little brother, Dolo. The engine is in the engine bay. I'll say that. Hustle hard. Frank Jackson. Leland, some bad men. The engine is in the engine bay. Now, if you missing videos, you skipping over video. I don't want nobody coming to video mad when I show Dolo here under the cover, but I do not crank it up. I'm not cranking it up. I'm saving it for the car meet. If you come out to the car meet, March the 28th, I'm gonna put the flyer on the screen right now so you can see all the info, you can see the address, all the good stuff. You come to the car meet, you get to hear it live. If you can't make it, I understand, cool, but you'll be able to hear it and see it March the 29th, which is the day after the car meet. I'll drop the car meet vlog. But other than that, I'm gonna let y'all know when Dolo back home. But I'm gonna crank it up. I ain't gonna crank it up on the vlog until after March the 28th. Nobody will hear it on the video until after March the 28th. But it's a dog. It's a dog. The engine is in the engine bay. I say that. Engine is in the engine bay. And it's looking like it will probably be back home this week. I'll say that much. It's a strong possibility. So yeah, that's the update on Dolo. But yeah, Meech. Boy, y'all gonna be shocked when y'all see this one, boy. Y'all gonna be shocked. Y'all gonna be shocked when y'all see this one. Y'all gonna be shocked. I can't wait, man. I just had to do this video to keep y'all in the loops of what's going on. But we got to change some stuff. So I'm gonna have a box Chevy exhaust for sale. I think that's about it for Meech. The engine, everything else stayed with wifey car. And I got to go get some stuff. I got to get a cross member for 400. I got to get some more stuff. I say that. But we're finna make something happen real quick. Real quick. And I'm just gonna say Meech's gonna be faster than what it was gonna be. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Boy, wait till y'all see this one. Wait till y'all see it. I can't wait. But yeah, man, I'm finna cover this thing up. This is an update video on Meech. We ain't did nothing on Meech, but I had to keep y'all in the loop, man. I was gonna keep it a little secret, but I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna show y'all. I might show y'all the engine. Depending on how these people start talking in the comments. A few people start talking crazy, and I feel like I have to stretch them out. Then I ain't gonna show nothing, cause they think they got my cars figured out. I might just keep playing my games. Well, I love the internet. I love the internet. You can make it work to your advantage with racing. I love the internet. Cause people think they got Mr. Jones figured out. Hell, they even think they got rhythm and blues figured out, but they don't. But you really don't. You really don't. But it's, boy, I might do something exclusive for my solid brown coat gang people. If I can make it so I can show exclusive content, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna figure it out so I can show my loyal damn people exclusive content. Show them engines and stuff like. They'll know what's going on. It's like your close friends, right? It really like your close friend. Your close friend, they know what's going on with your cars. Like they know what's sent them. They know how fast they really go and all of that. Then you got all the other people who think they know, but they don't know. They just know what you're showing them. It's just like on the track. You can sandbag, whatever. It's just like on the track. So I'm gonna figure out something. Cause I be wanting to show my solid people. I know everybody. It's a lot of y'all solid. And people gonna want to see on the engine bay. I promise you, when you hear it, y'all want to see on, yeah, Dolo. The 2 boxes about to be snatching though. I'm gonna put it like this. The whole fleet about to be running. The whole fleet. And this still gonna be the slowest one. We're gonna leave it at that. It was gonna be Meech gonna be the slowest one, but this rhythm and blue gonna be the slowest one out the fleet. I'm gonna say that. I know that for a fact. Rhythm and blues the slowest out the fleet as of now. I know this for a fact. Power wise, ET wise, everything. It's the slowest. So boy, y'all about to love this. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me every day, rocking with me and all that. I can't wait, man. Y'all definitely want to stay in the loop. I got a lot of surprise coming. Like I said, I'm bringing the pressure this year. Last year, up and down, but this year we coming with it. Brown coat gang, we making noise, the whole fleet. Then we're gonna put all 4 of them on a trailer, and we coming to it. We coming to shows and everything. So that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch y'all later.